In this tutorial, I'll show you how we can add more than one video track in Shotcut. Now I have my videos here, several of them, and I want them to appear on more than one video track. So what we simply need to do is to add them. Let's add them on our timeline. Now I have these videos on my timeline, but I want to have another video on top of this too, maybe say between here and here. To be able to add a track in Shotcut, simply click above the audio track and right click on it. Select the track operations, then select the add video option. As you can see, now we have another timeline that has been added. We have video 1 and video 2 tracks. Now go ahead and choose the video that you want to add on the second timeline and add it. Once you have added, it will simply overlay, and now you can see at the part where we have added the video track on the second timeline, the video now has appeared. That's how we add video track. You can go ahead and add as many videos on the same track as you wish. And edit them as you go. So that's how we add multiple video tracks in Shotcut. If you still need to add another video track, you can simply repeat the same process. Hover above the track, right click on it, go to track operations, and then add video track. And you will have an option to add as many tracks as you wish. Thanks for watching and kindly subscribe.